What's up, my lords? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. You guys, this morning, first of all, let me start by, I slept so good last night. My asthma was acting up, but I took my meds and I slept all the way through the night. No coffee, no nothing, and I feel good. So today I'm woke and I'm gonna make some chicken and waffles, homemade chicken and waffles for breakfast. So that's what I'm doing. So sit back, relax, and watch me make my homemade chicken and well, not homemade chicken, but make some homemade waffles for breakfast, you guys. I've been wanting Roscoe's chicken and waffles in California forever, but I know their secret ingredient for their waffles and the syrup. So with that being said, I'm gonna make it my damn self. Just getting all the water out the bowl so my seasonings will stick to the chicken and not the water. Uh-oh. Okay. Going in with some Lowry seasoning salt. Some accent. And a little bit of this garlic, salt, pepper, and garlic. Ooh. Yeah, and I'm one of those people that really don't like touching the meat. More accent. Just a little bit more seasoning salt, because lately I've been seasoning my chicken. It ain't been tasting that seasoned. Now I'm gonna get my bag. My flour bag, you guys. Put that over here. Let me wash this bowl out. I like to clean as I go. Okay, my little riders, the grease is at the right temperature. I'm putting my chicken in there, and hopefully all of them fit in there. And they did fit in there. It was a small pack. There was only 6 wings in there. So yeah, got them seasoned up. They're gonna start cooking, and now I'm gonna start working on. I'm gonna wait for my chicken to finish cooking a little bit. Then I'll start on the waffles and the eggs. Okay, my lords, I'm about to start on my waffle mix, and what I do is I put the pancake mix in there. This pancake mix is better than the Aunt Jemima ones I used to get. Oh my God, I love it so much better. And what I do is I don't like my waffles thick, just like I don't like my pancakes super thick. So I just put water in it until I feel it's the right consistency. And then I put in some some vanilla flavoring and a little bit of sugar. No, vanilla flavoring and a little bit of cinnamon, very little cinnamon, because I don't really like cinnamon like that. So I put very little in there. And yeah, it makes it taste just like Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. Waffles. Now I'm going to crack those eggs open. And you guys know that white stuff that be on the eggs. I don't like those. Somebody told me, whose granddaughter is a chef, she said that that white stuff is basically egg, the semen, the sperm from the chicken. I don't know what it is, but I don't do sperm like that. I don't eat it. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking all that out, all the little white spots out, and that's what you see me doing right now. And then I'm going to add, I got this seasoning from Ross the other day, and it's salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning all in one. So I'm going to use that to season my eggs up. And you guys, when I cook, I usually clean as I go, and that's what I'm doing right now. The only time I don't clean as I go is if I don't feel like cooking and somebody want me to cook something. But right now I'm just turning that chicken over, you guys, and it is the perfect color. And I know it's going to be cooked through and through, so I'm turning it over. I'm going to put that lid, the little screen thing over it where the grease ain't popping everywhere. And then go back and start working on my waffles and my eggs. Okay, you guys, my waffle maker is not ready. It's still blue. The little light is still blue. When it turns green, that means that it's ready to be used. I took the chicken out. Just look at that. That chicken looks so good, you guys. Anywho, I'm getting ready to start making the waffles. So I'm going to be quiet. That's self-explanatory. You guys will see me. I'm going to put some butter in the little waffle maker. And because I don't have Pam, I'm using butter. You guys, look who's woke and ready to eat. Look, Mama. Say hi. You're not going to say hi? You just going to look? You're just going to look? Nope, you can't touch that. That's hot too. You guys, I showed her the chicken. She was reaching for it. You can't have that hot chicken. Hot, yes, hot. Hot. Come here. Okay, you guys, the first waffle's done, and my granddaughter acted like she was starving, so she ate a piece. I gave her a piece of that waffle, the first waffle, but that one turned out fabulous too. Now I'm over here about to cook my eggs to go with it. I always cook my eggs last because ain't nothing worse than some cold eggs or cold eggs that were improperly cooked and look like pellets. So with that being said, I cook my eggs last, and I like my eggs to be nice and scrambled soft with cheese in them. Now that's a perfect waffle right there. Put some more butter on it and get ready to do the last one. I only made 3 waffles because there's only 3 of us here. And I'll probably eat half of one, which I didn't even eat my whole one. I ate half of it, and then my son ate the other half of his. So we had a whole waffle left. Look who's sitting here tearing up some chicken and waffles. She don't like eggs, so all she has is chicken and waffles, and she is tearing it up. Little Miss Bottomless Pit. Okay, my little riders, now that I fixed everyone's plate, it's time for me to taste my food. Oh yeah, I forgot to, I made some coffee, and you guys see me make coffee a million times. I make it with the Starbucks beans, grind the beans up, use the Starbucks creamer, and some vanilla flavoring. Let me see. You guys look at that chicken. Don't it look so good? Oh my goodness. Of course, I gotta put some hot sauce on my chicken. Let me see. Let me fix you guys so you can see. Let me fix you guys. Okay, here we go. Man, I don't care what nobody say. I think I make the best chicken ever. Perfectly seasoned, the perfect crunch and everything. The only reason you don't hear me crunching right now is because my son had music playing and I was not trying to get copyright for some music they're playing in the background, you guys. But everything was good. The chicken was good. The waffles were good. The egg, everything was freaking good. That's all I can say. She could cook. Ooh, you guys, excuse me. I'm just hiccuping. And I'm so glad that when I do cook, I clean as I go. So I really had nothing to clean when I was finished. All we had to do was wash the plates out. That's it, and that's all. Just wash the plates out. Let me see what this waffle tasting like. Let me show you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ooh-wee. That butter and that syrup. Who needs Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles when I could do it myself? I can do it myself, you guys. And I did. I really did. You guys saw. There's those cheesy eggs, you guys. Like I said, sometimes I put the cheese in the eggs while they're cooking, or sometimes I'll put it on top. I usually like it on top, though. I really do. So you can see the cheese line when you pull it. And I didn't really put a lot of cheese in there this time. But they say everything's better with cheese and bacon. And today I almost didn't cook because I thought I had bacon and I didn't. And then we had sausage, but it wasn't enough. And I was just going to go to a restaurant and get me something to eat. However, I said, I'm just going to cook this chicken that I was supposed to cook yesterday and it's thawed out. So I'm going to have some homemade Lola's chicken and waffles. Not Roscoe's, Lola's chicken and waffles. And just like that, breakfast is over. Everything is clean. And I'm about to go in the living room and find a good movie to watch, because today is one of those rare Saturdays that I am off of work. Let me find something to watch, you guys.
Oh, because people still got chances.
Oh, you said what? Oh, people what?
No, I said people still got chances.
Oh. Get it, Andrea. You got this, Andrea.
I don't know what you hear.
Guess it's my old years.
I don't know what you heard.
Yeah, that women do. I'm like, yes. I thought it was just me.
Lola.
Here, Kim. Record me.
Are you going?
No, I'm watching her.
This is the last one.
Okay.
You gotta get one.
Come on, Lola Jean.
That was the lady that did Mississippi. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Are we looking at the door?
It's that candy cane. That's what it is. Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, he's hanging on there.
Can't hear shit.
And the winner is